Here is a question from grade 9. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is 6 centimeter, angle A is 60 degrees, and the sum of the other two sides AC and BC is 13 centimeter. So before we start constructing, have a look at the instruments. This is called a compass, but ideally we should be calling it a pair of compasses with a pencil. This one is a ruler. Also we call it scale sometimes. These two are the set squares. This one is an isosceles set square because we have 45 degrees and 45 degrees here. This one is a scalene set square. Here you have 60, here you have 30, and this one is 90 degrees. Both of them have 90 degrees in common. Okay, these are set squares. And finally we have protractor. Whenever an angle is given to you which is not a multiple of 15, you are free to use your protractor. However, if your angle happens to be a multiple of 15, for example 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, 120 degrees, 90 degrees, for these always use the pair of compasses. Alright, so let's start the question. Start with the base. Or let's do one thing, let's make a rough figure. How will this figure look like actually? The base is 6 centimeter. It will be like something like this. Angle will be angle A is 60. If this is AB, angle A is 60, maybe like this. AC plus BC is 13 centimeters. So AC and BC. This is AC and BC. They add up to 13 centimeters. So AB is 6, angle A is 60, and the sum of AC and BC is 13 centimeter. This is our rough figure. Now let's make the real figure through construction. First, start with the base. The base is AB and that is 6 centimeters. So we'll go for 6 centimeters. From 1 to 7, this is also 6 centimeters. A, B. At A, we want to draw 60 degrees. So take a comfortable arc, comfortable radius, keep the needle at A, draw the arc. The first cut from the foot of the arc will be 60 degrees. Join this with ruler. Okay. Yeah. So it's passing through 60 degrees. Now take an arc of 13 centimeter. Look at this. The sum of the other two sides is 13 centimeter, but you take a single arc of 13 centimeters. So I'm keeping this one at 13 and the other one should go at 0. So let's open it pretty large and make it 13 centimeters. Yeah, this is 13 centimeters. All right. Keeping the needle at A, cut the initial line at 13 centimeters. This whole length is 13 centimeter. You can call this point as X. Now join B to X. BX has been joined. This fresh line segment that has been created, we will now construct its perpendicular bisector. For that, you open the compass just a little more than half of this BX length. This should be sufficient. Make an arc here and cross these arcs from here, intersect it. I have to come back at B. Yeah. If we join this point and this point, we will get the perpendicular bisector of BX. Yeah. Wherever this perpendicular bisector of BX cuts AX line, this particular spot will be your C. You've got A, B and C, join BC. This is your triangle ABC. Now you are aware that in triangle ABC, A was 60 degrees, AB was 6 centimeter, yeah, and the sum of AC and BC is 13 centimeter. But how can we say that with confidence? So do one thing, look at this yellow triangle and this green triangle. Do you think they are congruent triangles? Actually they are. Why? Because you know that this line was perpendicular bisector, so this part and that part are equal to each other, 90 degree and 90 degree. Okay, and this part is common in both the triangles, the yellow and the green one. As a result, by side angle side congruency, both the triangles are congruent. If both the triangles are congruent, this particular side and this particular side will be equal by CPCT. Yeah. So CX length and CB length are equal to each other. Correct? Yeah. As a result, XCB becomes an isosceles triangle. So we know that the AX length was 13 centimeter. The X can be divided at C as AC plus CX. That's 13. That's 13 centimeter. And we just saw that this CX length and CB length are equal. So this CX length can be replaced by CB. So AC plus CB is equal to 13 centimeter. And that's what was given to you, AC plus BC. That's AC plus BC only, 13 centimeter. This is justification, and this proves that the length of AC and BC are actually 13 centimeter. So this was a very interesting way of constructing a triangle in which you know a base, you know one of the base angles, and you know the sum of the other two sides. So before we complete the video, here are two tasks for you. Question number 2, construct a triangle PQR, okay, in which the question is construct this triangle in which PQ length is equal to 7 centimeter, angle Q, one of the base angles, so either P will be given to you or angle Q will be given to you. Angle Q is 75 degrees and perimeter is given as 15 centimeters. Yeah. So try to construct this and you can share the result with your teachers. Thank you.